Hello friends, I welcome you all to watch my new video, and in this video we are going to cover the force due to multiple charges. This is a part of extended part of Coulomb's law. Okay, and as you know that Coulomb's law generally deals with, so far we have learned that Coulomb's law uh, between two charges. Okay, but if we have to calculate means force due to multiple charges, then how we will calculate? So we will learn this topic in this video. Okay, so force due to multiple charges by superposition theorem, by superposition principle, you already know that if we have to calculate resultant force due to n number of charges, then it is very easy that at one point of time we just consider one force is active and rest other are inactive. Okay, and likewise if we have to calculate for force due to second charge, okay, then we have to consider only second charge and we have to keep other charges absent, or we should not consider at that time we should consider resultant force due to a single charge at a single point of time. Okay, likewise, so we will and by superposition theorem it also says that we have to calculate each and every force due to each and every charges, and we will simply add them to get the resultant force. Okay, that will be acting on that point charges, that is test charges. If we have to ask that what is the total force on that test charge, then we have to use this superposition theorem. Okay, so you can see, so I have mentioned this, and please make a note of it. And as you know, superposition principle, we all know that we have to calculate force due to each charge, and then we will add all the forces to get the resultant charge. Okay, so here now you can see this is the charge q1. Okay, we have to calculate force on charge q1 due to charge q2, q3 and qn. Okay, so what we have done here is from charge q1 from charge q2 to q1, the displacement vector is noted by r21. Okay, this is the displacement vector. How you will note, how you will write this r21? Okay, simply r21 is nothing but r2 minus r1. Okay, this is the thing. And force due to q2 is f12, that is force on charge 1, force on charge q1 due to charge q2. Okay, this is the thing. Likewise, due to q3 charge, force is f13, and the displacement vector is r31. r31 is simply again r3, one is again r3 minus r1. Okay, likewise for qn charges, all the charges we have to calculate distance between them. Simply please make a note of it, it's very important. Please note distance between them between q1 and q1. What is the distance? That is that is here rn2, that is displacement vector. Okay, and force due to qn charges is f1n. Okay, and direction would be radially outward, because we have assumed that force is positive. Okay, so this charge will try to repel this q1 charges. Okay, and now by superposition theorem we simply have to calculate all the forces. Okay, means at one point of time when we are considering force on q1 due to q2, what will happen? Just assume that all the sources, all the other charges are missing, that is absent. We simply have to consider q2 and q1. So the displacement vector will be r21 and force due to charge due to, q2 on q1 is f12. Okay, so if you will calculate f12 force on charge q1 due to charge q2, then simply you have to the constant k and q1 charge q2 r21 displacement vector r squared. Okay, and this is the unit vector, r21 is the unit vector. Likewise f13 force on charge 1 due to charge q3. Okay, that can be calculated k multiply by q1 q3 upon r31, that is the displacement vector between r3 minus r1 square, and r31 is the unit vector. Similarly for f1n, it means that force on charge 1 due to charge qn. Okay, and that can be calculated as q into q1 qn upon rn1 square into unit vector r cap n1. Okay, and if you add all these forces, if you will add all the forces, this is the resultant forces, this is the resultant force on f1, and that can be calculated as, if you will add simply all the forces on by different charges on f1, f12 plus f13, and likewise to fn. Okay, so I have also here mentioned that here r21 r31 rn1, as you know, is displacement vector, and r cap 21 r31 cap is unit vector. Okay, so this is how we calculate force on a test charge by if a number of charges are present, we have to calculate in a similar manner. Okay, so this is the theoretical concept. We will learn the numerical concepts later. Okay, so we will try to solve as many as numericals later, okay, to make you understand, and I promise that you will not forget these topics. If you feel any difficulty, please do post your questions in the comment section. I will try to make a video on them. I will try my level best to answer them. So please do like and subscribe. Okay, sharing is caring, so please do share with your friends, and till then, bye bye. Thank you.